And who's arguing?
My friends will just keep on arguing and keeping me up all night, and I just keep on.
You sound really muffled, so I cannot make out much of what you're saying.
Hold on. My parents are keep on arguing, and they're like keeping me up all night, and it's just getting annoying.
Do you know if there's any weapons inside the home at all?
No, I don't think so. I think they're just like regularly arguing, but like sometimes they do this, and it just gets out of control sometimes and stuff.
He's trying to hit me.
Hey, sir. Sir?
Don't come here, boss.
Wait,
don't go.
You got an AR. Terminal 23, 99A. I got one male subject down. He has an AR-15.